modern family problems and solutions. Contents: 1. The modern family. 2. Family and marriage problems. A. Dowry system. B. Divorce in India. 3. Solution to family problems. 4. Role of nursing to solve family problems. Next section, the modern family. What are the features of modern family? First, decrease the control of marriage contract. Second, change relationship. Third, laxity, lack of discipline in sex relationship. Four, economic independency, mainly economic independence of women. 5, smaller family. The number of family members is less than older family. 6, decline of religious control. 7, separation of non-essential functions. 8, fellow-centric family. The children tend to dominate. 9, decay of patriarchal family to matriarchal family. Causes of decay of patriarchal family: economic factors, industrial revolution, cultural factors, demographic institutions. Why modern families are unstable? The people find their education, their work and their recreation outside the family. If women can get job which make them independent, what are the issues facing family today? Busyness, absence of parent care, lack of discipline, financial pressures, lack of communication, negative media influences, balance of work and family, divorce. Next section, marital problems. Can you define marital problems? This refers to the common process whereby the relationship between a married couple veer away due to complex process involving psychological, personal, finance and societal. Important marital problems in India: A. Dowry system. B. Divorce in India. First, we are going to detail about dowry system. What is mean by dowry? Property or money brought by a bride to her husband when she marries him. Can you define dowry system? The dowry has been defined as it is the transfer of parental property to a daughter at her marriage. This fund may provide an element of financial security, eventually go to provide for her sons and daughters. Dowry, look at this picture. Dowry is considered as social evil, causing suffering of peoples and parents, corruption and bribe in the society. It has determined the status of women, result in dowry death, suicide and homicide. Factors responsible for dowry system: caste system, social custom, inevitability of marriage, false notation of social status, sociological implication of dowry system. Positive: helps in establishment of new household, increased status of women in the family, increase the family status within the society, maintain harmony and unity among the family. Negative: leads to a lot of other social evils like alcoholism, bribery, theft and prostitution. Parents of the girl often commit forgery, misapplication to arrange for dowry, homicide, dowry death. Legislations related to dowry system: Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, amended 1984-1986. Minimum 5 years of imprisonment, rupees 15,000 fine equivalent value of dowry. Next, detail about divorce in India. What are the factors leads to divorce? A. Decay of social values. B. Less social protection. Causes of divorce: women become financially independent, interference of parents of the girl in her married life, marriage against the wishes of men or women, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law conflict, conspiracy against boy and his family, sluggish sex life, fun-loving generation, adultery, misconception that second or third marriage would bring more happiness in life, infidelity, communication breakdown, physical, emotional, psychological abuse, marital financial issues, child rearing, sexual incompatibility, boredom, religious and cultural strains, addiction and alcoholism, differences in expectations and priorities, differences in personal and career goals, different expectations about household tasks and financial problems, intellectual incapability and inflexibility, mental instability or mental illness, signs of toxic relationship. First, control issue. Your partner is rigid and must have his or her way. You find yourself complying to keep the peace and because it is easier. Second, communication difficulties. Any time you express concern, a differing opinion. Third, feeling on edge because of his or her behavior. You walk on eggshells. You must justify everything. 4. It is you. Misinterpretation of reality. Next section, marriage and family problem in India. First, lower status of women. 2. Child marriages. 3. Sati. 4. Divorce. 5. Dowry system. 6. Misuse of anti-dowry laws. 7. Marital disputes. To blackmail husband. 8. Difficult mother-in-law. 9. Physical abuse. 10. Sexual abuse. 11. Verbal and emotional abuse. 12. Economic abuse. 3. Solution to family problems.
1. Avoid divorce and family crisis. 10 steps. 2. Reconstructing the family. A. Better marriages. B. Mental adjustment. 3. Family welfare services. 4. Legislative measures. Detail going on. How to avoid divorce and family crisis. 10 steps. First, all feeling of resentment, anger should be abandoned or neglected. Second, needless irritants and antagonists should be eliminated. Third, find a way to do new joyful things together. 4. Have children, but by mutual agreements. 5. Discuss your vital family problems. 6. Understand your mate. 7. Discover area of agreement and develop together joint programs. 8. Discover your vital family problems with your mate. 9. Agree to live. Allow to live. 10. Put the welfare of your family first. How to reconstructing the family? A. Better marriages. B. Mental adjustment. Detail about better marriages. First, building of union. Second, decision must be made on the basis of what is good. 3. No demand should be made. 4. Too great concentration should be avoided. 5. Complete trust in each other. 6. Hold on to the present, nor seeking to bring back to the past. Each moment is good and now in itself. 7. There should be willing to grow. 8. Instead of an adolescent type blind love, there should be mature affection. 9. Marriage is life adjustment. Detail about mental adjustment. First, holding frank discussions. Second, elimination of needless arguments. Third, being just, not expected to, always justice. 4. Working out plan together. 5. Avoiding quarrels or non-essentials. 6. Enlarge area of agreement. 7. Playing the role of good sportsman. Can you list family welfare services? Family planning, child welfare, welfare for adolescents, women welfare, welfare for old age,
Next section, legislations related to family and marriage. First legislation, Prevention of Sati Act 1829. Second, Hindu Widow Remarriage Act 1856. 3. The Civil or Special Marriage Act 1954. In case a marriage between an Indian and foreign national is to take place in India. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, amended 1986. 6. Shariat Act 1937 may be called the Muslim Personal Law. 7. Muslim Marriage Act 1939. 8. The Suppression of Immoral Traffic of Women and Girls Act 1956. 9. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. 10. Family Court Act 1984. 4. Role of nursing to solve family problems. A. Role of nurse in family health care services. B. Family health care nursing. C. Role of nurse on broken families. D. Going on. Role of nurse in family health care services. Liaison between communities and healthcare agencies, understand the family bases, recognize and understand the family, strengthen the family ties, conduct domiciliary visit, implementation of healthcare services, family healthcare nursing. First, family, health and demographics. Second, theoretical foundations for nursing. Third, research in families and family nursing. 4. Family structure, functions and process. 5. Families, nursing, social policy. 6. Socio-cultural influences on family health. 7. Family nursing assessment and intervention. 8. Family health promotion. 9. Family nursing with childbearing families. 10. Child health nursing. What are the role of nurse on broken family? Health education, family health education, psychological support to family members, promote social support, increase family ties, counseling and guidance, teach about home economics, promote mental adjustment, advise tolerance and resilience. Thank you. Have a good day.